Okay, just showing you boys over in Cordia how we've got spark. That noise is interesting. It's coming from, there's like a little sensor under here. I don't know, it looks like some kind of motor. Connects to, sorry it's so dark, a pipe coming from the thermostat over there. And it's got this, when I take this plug off it, I stop getting that weird little noise. When I put it back on, the noise comes back and it sounds like a weird little motor sound. What is that exactly? Anyway, Clayton, take the wires apart and then put the ignition back together.
Ignition?
Yeah, back together, those two wires.
Oh.
So it's an interesting noise.